Flips and tips on OfferUp. Are you ready to turn everyday items into profit and master the art of flipping? Well, this week we're diving into the ultimate guide on flips and tips on OfferUp. Learn how to find hidden treasures, negotiate like a pro, and transform your flipping hobby into a lucrative side hustle. Stick around, because these tips might just change the way you see secondhand shopping forever. So, what is OfferUp and why should you use it? OfferUp is one of the most popular and user-friendly online marketplaces, providing a seamless platform for buying and selling used items. With millions of active users, it's a trusted space for connecting local buyers and sellers. Now, whether you're looking to declutter your home or uncover incredible deals, OfferUp offers an intuitive interface that makes transactions straightforward and efficient. But what sets OfferUp apart, especially for aspiring flippers? Well, one of its standout features is the emphasis on local transactions. Unlike other marketplaces that rely heavily on shipping, OfferUp allows buyers and sellers to meet in person. This not only eliminates shipping fees, but also ensures faster turnarounds, giving flippers an edge in quickly securing and flipping items for profit. The platform boasts a wide range of categories, including furniture, electronics, fashion, and collectibles. Whether it's a vintage coffee table or a high-demand gaming console, the variety of items listed creates endless opportunities for profitable flips. For beginners, OfferUp serves as the perfect testing ground to hone your flipping skills. It requires minimal upfront investment and allows you to experiment with different items to discover what works best for your niche. With its community-driven nature and active user base, OfferUp is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to turn flipping into a rewarding and potentially lucrative side hustle. So let's look at finding the right items to flip. The cornerstone of successful flipping lies in selecting the right items to buy and resell. On OfferUp, some categories consistently offer great opportunities for profit. Start with furniture, electronics, and vintage collectibles. These are often in high demand and can yield impressive returns. Keep an eye on trends, as certain items, such as mid-century modern furniture or retro gaming consoles, have a loyal following and consistently attract buyers. Timing plays a crucial role in finding the best deal. Browsing early in the morning or late at night can help you catch new listings before others do. This is especially useful for competitive categories, where good items are quickly snapped up. Don't overlook the free section either. It often contains items that need minimal repairs or cleaning to become profitable flips. When evaluating potential flips, focus on items with clear resale value. Branded products, unique antiques, or pieces made from high-quality materials typically perform well in the resale market. Conduct quick market research using platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace to check similar items' prices. This can help you avoid overpaying and ensure the items you choose have solid profit potential. Approaching your search strategically and staying consistent can make all the difference in maximizing your flipping success on OfferUp. How to negotiate like a pro. Negotiation is a skill that can make or break your flipping success, and mastering it will significantly enhance your profits. When initiating a conversation with sellers on OfferUp, your approach matters. Always begin with a polite and friendly message. For instance, you could say, "Hello, I'm really interested in," whatever it is, and "would you be open to accepting," whatever you want to offer. This simple, respectful tone can set the stage for productive discussions. It's important to be firm, yet reasonable with your offers. Sellers often set their prices higher, anticipating negotiations, so a good strategy is to offer 20 to 30% below the asking price to leave room for adjustments. However, ensure your proposed amount is still fair to avoid offending the seller or losing the deal. Timing is another crucial factor in the successful negotiations. Sellers are often more open to lower offers when an item's been listed for a long time without much interest, or towards the end of the day when they're eager to close deals. Paying attention to these details can help you secure better prices consistently. Lastly, remain respectful throughout the process. Even if your initial offer is declined, building good rapport with sellers can lead to future opportunities or even prompt them to reconsider your offer later. Mastering these techniques will help you save money and maximize your flipping profits. Next up, the art of presentation, selling your flips. When it comes to selling, presentation is everything. Make sure to clean and repair your flipped items to enhance their appeal. Take high-quality photos with good lighting and clear backgrounds to showcase the item's best features. Write compelling descriptions that highlight the value of the item. Instead of simply listing a used sofa, try something like modern sectional sofa in excellent condition, perfect for small apartments or cozy living rooms, recently cleaned and ready for a new home. Now that's a title. Pricing your flips is crucial. Research similar listings on OfferUp to determine a competitive price. If you're looking for a quick sale, the price is slightly below market value. For higher profit margins, emphasize the item's unique qualities and justify the price in your description. Top tips for building a successful flipping routine. Flipping is more than just buying and selling. It's about creating a structured system that maximizes efficiency and profits. Developing a routine is crucial to staying organized and consistent. Dedicate specific days to sourcing items and others to listing and managing sales. This consistency not only helps streamline your workflow, but also establishes you as a reliable and professional seller on OfferUp. To keep track of your flipping activities, use tools like Google Sheets or specialized apps. Record your purchases, expenses, selling prices, and profits. These organized records provide valuable insights into your progress and help you identify what's working and where adjustments are needed. Over time, this data will allow you to refine your strategies and focus on the most profitable niches. Customer satisfaction is another essential element of a successful flipping routine. Respond quickly to inquiries and write detailed, honest descriptions and deliver on your promises. A positive reputation can lead to glowing reviews and even repeat buyers who trust your listings. Additionally, consider dedicating time to improving your flipping skills, such as learning basic repairs or studying market trends. Building a routine that incorporates all these elements will not only make flipping easier, but also boost your success and profitability on OfferUp. Next, learning from mistakes. Every flip is a lesson. Flipping is a journey, and like any journey, it comes with its share of missteps. Not every flip will turn out as profitable as you'd hoped, and that's perfectly okay. In fact, these moments of disappointment often hold the most valuable lessons. Sometimes you might overestimate an item's resale value or underestimate the time, effort, or cost required for repairs. While these situations can obviously be frustrating, there are also opportunities for growth. When a flip doesn't go as planned, take time to reflect on what went wrong. Did you pay too much for the item? Was there a lack of demand for it? Did unforeseen repairs cut into your profit margin? By identifying these factors, you can adjust your strategies to avoid similar mistakes in the future. Remember that flipping is a skill you develop over time. Each mistake you encounter helps you to become better at assessing items, negotiating deals, or anticipating changes. Over time, you'll learn to spot high-value opportunities more effectively and gain the confidence to navigate the ups and downs of flipping. Most importantly, don't let a few setbacks discourage you. Persistence really is key to the flipping business, and every misstep is simply part of the learning curve. Treat every flip as a lesson, and you'll find yourself improving with each transaction, steadily turning your side hustle into a thriving venture. So why is flipping on OfferUp a perfect start for beginners? If you're new to flipping, OfferUp provides an accessible entry point. The platform's user-friendly interface, local focus, and broad range of categories make it easier for beginners to dive in. Plus, starting small allows you to test the waters without a significant upfront investment. Now, one of the best aspects of OfferUp is the community-driven experience. Engaging with local buyers and sellers can help build connections and discover valuable items that might not be listed elsewhere. Scaling up, turning your hobby into a business. Once you've mastered the basics, consider scaling your flipping side hustle into a full-fledged business. Invest in tools like a storage unit for bulkier items or a cleaning kit for quick touch-ups. Explore other platforms like eBay or Poshmark for items that appeal to a broader audience. As you grow, think about branding yourself as a trusted seller. Create a consistent profile with a professional photo, clear contact details, and positive reviews. Having a solid reputation can significantly increase your chances of closing deals and attracting high-value buyers. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to flips and tips on OfferUp. By mastering these strategies, you'll not only find amazing deals, but also turn them into profitable opportunities. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your flipping skills take you to new heights. Ready to get started? Open OfferUp today and see what treasures you can find. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on flipping, saving, and making the most of your online marketplaces. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!